There's a great quote out there that goes like this: good artists copy, great artists steal. And in today's video, I'm going to be stealing some ads from some successful brands out there so that you guys can get some product ideas, some ad ideas, and just see kind of what's working out there. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into it. So I'm using a tool called Minia right here, or Minia. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And what this is a spy tool that shows you all of the successful ads that are running right now, and it categorizes them by whatever you want. So I got some categories here. So I filtered it by Shopify, stores, by a lot of likes, English language, and the US. And let's take a look at some of these ads to see what's actually working right now with Facebook ads in terms of the products and the ads themselves. Before we do this real quick though, I do want to mention that if you've never started a business before, you've never made $1 online with Shopify at all, then this is actually an amazing way to not only learn what's working, but also to get your first sales. Just sometimes you got to copy what's working out there to at least validate the business model of running a business on Shopify. Now, that's not the most sustainable way to grow necessarily, but it is a great way to get started, like I mentioned. So let's take a look at this ad, for example. Very simple. It's just a normal product that you would see on AliExpress probably, but not necessarily so. This actually looks like an ad from a supplier, so that's something to mention, is that oftentimes on Alibaba, if you message the suppliers, you can ask them for videos that you can use for your ads. So you don't always have to rip off videos from the internet, but pretty awesome ad. So this product right here has 16,000 likes and 4,000 shares. Pretty interesting. And as you see, the landing page is quite simple. I always find these landing pages super interesting because they look so ugly in my opinion, but they convert like crazy. And I really don't understand it. I think it's maybe because it resembles Amazon a little bit. I'm honestly not sure. I guess it kind of does with the colors and the layout a little bit, because Amazon to me also doesn't look that great in terms of website design, but it converts. So that's just something to note. And yeah, so that's that. Now this ad right here is kind of interesting. So win this Lamborghini, end up in your garage, get 500% more entries. So they are running a giveaway for this brand, which is actually kind of smart, to be honest with you. This website is driving a ton of traffic, and obviously people want a Lamborghini, so they're going to try to put in as many entries as possible, and then selling some merch and stuff of that nature. Really smart idea. Running giveaways. I mean, you guys all probably know about Mr. Beast by now. Mr. Beast knows exactly the power of giveaways. And with that in mind, let's look at the next ad here. This one, the mushroom head air cushion. So this is for some sort of mascara, I believe. So this is a beauty product. Allows you to hide blemishes and whatnot. It's such a weird ad. It doesn't even look good, but again, it's just something that people really need in their lives, or at least this ad makes it seem like they really need it. And that's why it works so well. But this has 25,000 likes. It's super simple and it's totally crushing it. Let's look at this one. So perfect wooden world map, high production quality. I'm surprised this has so many likes. Great gift for your friends. So keep these things in mind. I mean, it's a fast-paced ad. They're kind of presenting the benefits. It's high quality. It's a great gift. It's unique. That's kind of why somebody would buy this, right? It's because it's a very unique product and you probably can't find it anywhere else. This store sells a lot of different wooden kinds of products. It's kind of cool. This is actually a pretty interesting store. Now, this is something interesting. This static image ad, it's just literally these wooden spoons in a mason jar. It has 16,000 likes and 1,800 shares. That's so crazy. And they're selling this for $69. So this is just really interesting to me because it's just something you wouldn't really think would hit this hard, yet it is. And the landing page, again, is not anything that special, but it's obviously optimized for mobile. They got some really good buy more, pay less stuff going on here. That's a great upsell. And this to me is a great example of why testing image ads is smart sometimes. You know, I mean, this just goes to show that it does work. Testing image ads can be super powerful, especially judging by this. Here's another really interesting image ad. It's just like a really unique looking product, so it catches people's attention and people just have to go and buy it. Now, of course, this is like custom stuff, so really cool and obviously unique, so that's why it does really well. Let's see something else here. Let's keep looking for some interesting stuff. So obviously this is a paid tool and I do pay for it myself. I will leave a link in the description for you though, in case you want to get a discount. I think I have a discount for it. This is obviously not something you absolutely need. In fact, I kind of do want to do more of these videos so that you don't have to necessarily buy the tool and you can just get value from my channel. But it is super interesting. We use this at my agency, Akemi, a lot just to see what people are out there doing. Oh, here's a really good ad. Wow, so this is a high ticket ad right here for a whole gym setup. That is really convenient actually. Let me take a look at this. That's pretty cool. Performance racks, home gym saving calculator. Wow, this is so clever. So they actually show you how much money you're going to be saving by using this. And then let's see, you can actually build your own and it's going to cost you about $1,000 to $3,000. That's so cool. This brand is killing it. Let's see how much traffic they're driving. 150,000 monthly visitors. Awesome. Really good stuff. The world's first device that naturally reduces pressure and stress. Wow, so this is a very slow ad. It's just like testimonials. Like I don't even have the patience right now to watch the whole thing. But it's just testimonials of people using this product and it has 32,000 likes. Crazy, crazy. Your last pair of gloves. This is a cool ad. These gloves are so simple too. $15,000 likes on these gloves. So this is definitely killing it for somebody out there. Let's take a look at what it actually looks like. The most powerful gloves on the planet. Sale ends in a minute. So a lot of these landing pages are pretty interesting. They're kind of advertorials. I mean, they're built through a landing page software, obviously, probably Shogun or Gem Pages or something like that. But this is obviously highly optimized. And, you know, it just gives people a lot of trust when they see something like this. Really interesting. They have a VIP club thing going on. They're driving a ton of traffic. I mean, this ad is obviously killing it for them. And this is really the power of Facebook ads. If you just have one winning ad, you can literally make millions of dollars. And that's what a lot of these brands are doing. Let's check out this one right here. Wow. Very scroll stopping ads right here for a heated vest. Obviously, this probably wouldn't be the best product to sell now since the season is ending, the winter season, and the summer is beginning, but that's still really interesting. This one's interesting. This is an ad for a physical location. That is pretty cool. So we don't see this kind of stuff a lot, but this ad is totally crushing it, and it's very simple. As you see, it's just very scroll stopping and eye catching. And these are the things that do well with Facebook ads. 42,000 likes. Pretty unbelievable. Let's check this one out. So very simple ad. It's literally just a slideshow ad that they made into a video. Just a bunch of different pictures made into a video. 25,000 likes. That's incredible. It always surprises me the type of stuff that people are buying out there. But, you know, it just goes to show, guys, don't have limiting beliefs when it comes to building your side hustle or business. You just really got to test things out. Don't make too many assumptions, especially at the beginning, right? Like you have to test things out. You have to be more of a scientist in this game. As a scientist, you got to test things. So yeah, pretty cool landing page, very traditional stuff, not anything fancy, just a really good offer and totally crushing it with this product. Now, the last thing I want to say is make sure you're using ChatGPT, guys. If you are building a side hustle or really generally speaking, I mean, ChatGPT is like your personal assistant. It can give you ideas for products. It can give you descriptions for products, ad copy ideas, anything. And I got my team using ChatGPT every single day, and it's made a big difference in our business. Now we can run things lean, and they don't need to always ask me questions for things. And it's always exciting to me how many new AI tools are coming out that are really going to help Shopify business owners. So I'm going to try to bridge that gap a lot for you guys. There's actually something that we have available now in the Akemi Lab server section of the Akemi Discord. That's kind of confusing, where we talk about AI utilities. And as you see, there's a lot of really cool stuff here. And there's also a lot of other benefits that we include here. We add breakout ads, just kind of what I was just showing you, breakout trends that are really valuable as well. And there's a networking lounge where you basically have access to me 24/7 and the rest of the group. You can check that out with the link in the description. That's the second Alchemy Lab product that we've launched here. It's 50% off, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. But other than that, as I always mention, just make sure you're getting started. That's really the bottom line. You got to start launching stuff. You got to start trying things out, and you're going to start learning a lot. So with that said, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it valuable, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.